Hey guys, just an update on my bicep distal tendon tear surgery. Went back today, so it's about 6 weeks today. So uh, he told me I could take my brace off, and then he looked around for it and realized I didn't have it on anyhow. So I can pretty much do everything. He said I'm limited to no more than 5 pounds max of lifting of anything, and if I do exercises, 1 to 2 pounds max, 2 pounds max for another 6 weeks. So that's not too bad. I can handle that. But it's doing really good. A couple of the red spots there. That big one is a bug bite from camping, but I think I had a little bit of reaction to the internal stitching. That's why it's so red right there. They kind of dissolved the other day, the last two parts of it on both ends, and it just all turned red. That it's getting better on that part. So it's flattened out from the last time I posted because the internal stitching is letting it stretch back out and get flat. It feels really good. He did a couple tests to make sure it was still attached. He said at 6 weeks, which is what I'm at now, is when that tendon and bone are really just starting to heal around each other. So I can start lifting a little bit, and I'll probably just do therapy on my own because I can pretty much do everything. Range of motion doesn't hurt. I can straighten it, bend it, pronate, supinate. None of that stuff bothers it. So yeah, it's doing good. Another 6 weeks, I go back, and then hopefully, he said then I'll probably be able to add a little more. Sorry about the lighting. A little more weight to repetitive weight for lifting, maybe 10 to 15 pounds. And freaking light, there we go. And then he said 4 to 5 months isn't. I can do whatever. So another month and a half, put me at 3 months, 10 to 15 pounds, and I'll probably do a little bit every day. It's just kind of how I am, and then back to doing whatever. So just a quick update. It's doing good. Taking time, not pushing it. I've caught myself lifting some things, not intentionally, but we've been doing a lot of camping and just grabbing stuff off the truck, and it's like, oh crap. It didn't hurt, but I just caught myself doing it and had to switch to the other arm. But I did have to go to the chiropractor because my neck was all jacked up from just using one arm to do everything with. Yeah, quick update. Any questions, comments? Let me know. Thanks. Bye.